Guys, welcome to another episode of Talking with Cars, and today we're reviewing another Etenwolf product, the Vortex S7. This thing is a beast. Oh my gosh, this thing is big. It's heavy. It's 38,000 milliamps of power. Let's unbox this thing, figure it out, find out how quickly it'll pump a tire, go over some of the specs. This is Talking with Cars. So out of all the Etenwolf products that I've reviewed, this one is the biggest, no question about it. It is definitely one for the heavy duty vehicles, you know, SUVs, campers, you know, big tires that may require a little bit more power to kind of pump all of them up if you have a problem. So, you know, it's good to have that sense of security, you know, and having something like this in the back of your SUV or truck or Jeep or Hummer or whatever, all your tires at the right PSI is definitely one of the basics, you know, in terms of keeping you safe. So this thing is pretty impressive, you know. So, and it does a couple things, right? It's not only an air compressor where it pumps your tires, it also blows other things up like inflatable beds and play toys and all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of multi-purpose, and it's got a built-in LED, but we'll go over all the little incidentals and all the little details. But I know for one thing, you know, these guys really back their products up a lot. You know, it's a 2-year warranty that they supply, a 90-day guarantee of satisfaction, you know, so if you don't like it in 90 days, guess what? You can return it. All you have to do is reach out to their customer service. There's a number here, 877-838-0209. There's an email address. They got plenty of support system there. You know, it was never a problem communicating with that company. They've reached out to me. They did send this to me for free. I'm probably gonna give this out to somebody, you know, a friend of mine who probably has a larger vehicle. You know, I already have a pump for all of my vehicles right now, including my daughter's. So I'm set to go, you know, but this one right here is definitely one for the larger vehicles. So let's open this up. Let's not waste any time. I didn't even open this up already. So this is like, the plastic is still on it. And the packaging and everything that they have is really cool. You know, it's got that like really satisfactory, you know, peel away tab where you can kind of open it up. And it's very high quality, everything about it. Now, the one thing that I realized about this one is it's green, right? Which is pretty cool, right? So I guess it kind of like blends in with the aesthetic of some of the bigger vehicles, you know, maybe like the off-road vehicles and stuff like that, which unfortunately I don't have. I have an SUV, but I don't have an off-road vehicle. But something like this can come in very handy. So check this out. It's a pretty cool bag. Definitely has it's very super convenient, you know, and their slogan is tough tools redefined. Right? And I've been very happy with their quality. I mean, no question about it, everything about it. So, all right, it's nicely packaged. You know, it's got the charger plug, right? The connection for your vehicles, for your valve stem, charger cord, instructions, user manual, all that kind of stuff in there. And then nestled in here, in between two pieces of styrofoam, which you could remove, is the unit itself. And yeah, it is a dark green color. You can kind of see that. There's the LED light. All the little like pieces that you're gonna need for inflating other devices and other units. Looks like this is your charging point. This is your in and out, right? The USB-C and USB-A is only an out. And I believe it's 45 watts of power that this pumps out, right? So that if you want to charge up another device, you can pretty quickly. And then here's your deflate, inflate ports, right? So if you want to use that, right, there's that pump location right there. If you want to inflate something larger, it's got a plastic protector over this gauge here. So let's kind of take that off, right? That's fun to do. And now let's turn this thing on. Let's see what it's all about. Let's press the start button. All right, it's charged up. It looks like it's charged up all the way. I don't know 100% if it is, but it's set to car at 35 PSI. And you have all the different modes, right? So here's the mode button, right? You have all those different modes you can kind of play with. You got the car, you got the truck, you got your camper, your inflatable balls, all that kind of stuff. If you want to blow air out of the unit, there's this function for that. And then for bicycles, you know, and I believe it's got a maximum of 160 PSI on this. So I'll just confirm it and put that number up here. But it looks like it is a maximum of 160 PSI. And the differences between the different modes has everything to do with the output, how much volume it sends out, right? Because obviously if you're using it on a bike, you're not gonna wanna push that much air out into the bike tire. So, all right, so let's see, the light is right here, so that's obvious. Very bright. I think that's 1,000 lumens if I'm incorrect, but let's just double check the specs. Whoa, flashes, SOS, and then off. But let's go through the specs one by one, and let's just learn a little bit more about it. So the Etenwolf S7 heavy duty tire inflator is 38,400 milliamp battery pack. So that's a big battery pack in here. So the advantage to that is it doesn't die quicker. You know, if you're gonna inflate a bunch of tires, your friends' tires, your ATVs, all that kind of stuff, this is not gonna die that fast. So the S6, I believe, is half that. I think it's like 19,000 milliamps. So pretty good. You can buy this for $199.99 right now. So you're saving 20% off this unit. So that's a pretty good deal. If you get a double pack, it's even better. It's $359.98. So I would definitely recommend getting the double pack because then you could put one in each vehicle and you're definitely set to go. You can get a family pack, which is a pack of 3 for $434. So it's a little bit on the pricier side because now you're talking 3 of these units, but still a very good deal. You're basically getting one for free. Key features. Ultimate heavy duty tire inflator is perfect for inflating tires on RVs, off-road vehicles, and other high difficulty vehicles. Ultra fast inflation, right? 260 watt ultra high power dual motors inside this thing with 30-inch SUV tire that could be pumped in 30 seconds, right? So we're gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna deflate one of my tires to about 10 PSI and then bring it all the way back up and see how quickly it does and how well it does. It's got a precision accuracy of plus or minus 1 PSI, which is very impressive. It is a 1,000 lumen LED light. It's got the USB-C fast charger, the 45 watt. It does have the 2-year extended warranty. All you have to do is join their club and register the product once you receive it. And then any orders over $39 gets free shipping. So that's pretty impressive, right? And usually you get this product right away. Within a week, you have this product. So yeah, that's about it. You know, they have plenty of these in stock. You know, it's got monster performance. This thing is actually pretty cool. So let's get right to it. Let's use it on this tire. I'm gonna deflate it to 10 PSI, and it is an SUV. It's a large tire, it's the rear tire, and we're gonna inflate it all the way back up to whatever it needs to be. If it's 35, 45 PSI, whatever. I'll figure it out, figure out where it's at, and then we'll inflate it. But I wanna kinda do it with you in real time to show you how quickly it does pump up the tire. Now this piece right here does have a really cool feature. It has a valve on it, so you can deflate the tire from that valve. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna actually just install it onto the end. It is a threaded end, and you can use this threaded end directly to your valve stem if you really wanted to. But we're gonna use this valve chuck right here because what I wanna do is I wanna deflate the tire from here, get it to the right PSI, and that'll pick up what PSI it is, and then we'll pump it back up and find out where we're at. All right, so the rear tire says it needs to be at 44 PSI. So let's find out where we're at with this currently. Actually, let's put it into truck mode because this is more of a truck. All right, let's see where we're at. And it looks like we're at 39.3 PSI. So let's lower it to 10, right? So we're gonna release the pressure. And after not using it for a while, it kind of automatically turns off. So you wanna kind of make sure that you're using it pretty quickly. It's pretty cool, and I think this LED light that's here, then it's circular, that kind of represents like the PSI. I don't think it's the power on the unit. I'll double check, but I believe it's like how far you are in terms of PSI. So if your goal is 35 PSI, you're at about 50% if you're at 15.6 PSI. So We're at 15. I think we're close enough. Yeah, we're at 15.4 right now. So we're gonna turn the unit to 44 is what it needs to be. So let's say 46. And then we're gonna start the unit and see how long it takes. And obviously it has the automatic shut off. So once it reaches the PSI, it's already off. So that's impressive. And that was about, I don't know, like 5-6 minutes or something like that. I'll put the exact time up here that it took to go from 15 PSI to 46 PSI. That's impressive. So we're gonna go to the other tires, we're gonna double check them, and then we'll do a final conclusions. Now what can I say? This thing is a beast. I said it in the beginning, I'll say it at the end. All the products that Etenwolf sells are awesome products. Every single one of them is packaged well. Their performance is excellent. This one's definitely more powerful than the S6 that I tried out. You could tell it ramps up right away. It pumps the tires right away. There's absolutely zero. If I look at it, let's turn this thing on. I pumped all 4 tires. One of them was almost down to 15 PSI. It was, right? 15 to 46 we pumped it up. And we used 0 battery power. So that shows you how powerful this battery is. Having the 38,000 milliamps is definitely helpful, you know, especially when you're dealing with larger vehicles, more tires. You know, if you're out on the trails and you're kind of helping friends out with their vehicles, if you're doing some off-roading, you could definitely use one of these, no question about it. So hats off to Etenwolf. Thank you, Junko, for sending this one out. I do appreciate it. Hopefully we'll be able to collaborate a little bit more in the future, but I do appreciate it. This is an excellent unit. I highly recommend it for everybody. I'll put the links for everything down below. Use the links down below and you won't regret it. I promise you. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.